Why is it so quiet in here? I am so tired. Yeah, I know, me too. Ah! What in the fuck? What was that? I think that was Olivia. Oh my god. Was that you? No. That sounded like a burp. No, that sounded like a demon talking in someone's throat. Olivia, do you have a frog inside your throat or something? No, Ava. Why would I be keeping a frog inside my throat? Do I look like a pawn to you? Are you okay? Yep. What was that? Am I broken? That sounded like a fart but came from someone's throat. Okay, it was me, but how did y'all even hear that? Because it was loud and it's almost like the whole universe heard it. Are you good? Like, is there something in your throat? What do you mean, is there something in my throat? What do you think is in there? Instruments? I think she's like hiding a monster in there or something. Okay, enough. I don't care. You want to shut up and stop looking at me. How about that?